there's no more other cards. So, how you like that? Gonna pick up what are these? Instagram cards. Instagram. Oh my goodness. Instagram.
Stop video.
Just hide in that corner, it can't see. Hide. Oh shit.
I didn't see it, but I, did something.
This is white.
You didn't see it, but you will see it later. Once you check the video.
Are these some more of the heck? Why didn't I see these earlier? They were literally just out in the open.
Ayun, try the seed of seed.
Laptop.
Maya pa ito.
I think that I'm done with these Instagram cards.
Buksan ko dito sa ano.
What other cards are there? The photo cards.
Ay, dito.
Photo cards and lomo cards. Photo cards are the real ones and the lomo cards are the fake ones. May ito yung jacket na lang.
Yan.
The heck? Where are they?
Ba't ganun yung sim niyo?
You gonna get banned then. Can't see me anyway, but who cares?
I think this is the only normal card that
Just
you...
cover it, okay?
Aray mo, tawagan yung number ni Hogs.
Or else
Gonna-
you might get banned.
Baka na-export na. Kasi na yun.
Hoodie?
Hindi, dumating nga yung text.
Girl
ng
wearing a...
RSS na
That's
kami.
the best hoodie I've ever seen in my entire life.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
Like for real? Like the best?
Because that's the only hoodie that I've ever seen in my life. How you like that?
Look kami nun, di ba?
Okay, adopt me card. The ones that literally have more
I'm gonna
photos.
change and add
Lakas na.
Santa.